welcome back. I'm Katie. I'm one half of Highboy LA. Today I thought we would do a nice fall weekend vlog. It's Friday night. I finished all of my work. I feel super accomplished. I'm gonna chill. I have chicken soup in the crock pot. I'm gonna make some frozen mozzarella sticks from Trader Joe's. And I'm just gonna relax. And then tomorrow is gonna be like maybe some errands, and we're going to an event tomorrow night, and then Sunday should be like cleaning and relaxing. So I thought I would take you along with me. I just took Zola on her night walk. She's eating right now. I'm heating up this food. The other night, a couple friends came over. We had frozen pizzas and mozzarella sticks, and it was so good. And now there's a few left over, so I think I'm gonna have those with the soup. I'm debating if I should make noodles for the soup because it's just veggies and chicken. Kind of want to, but I was gonna use these noodles, which probably don't really go, but I have these Japanese green tea noodles. They just sound more appealing than the other option that I have. So I might make a stock of these and then save the rest. Maybe I'll do that. So like I mentioned, I had a super productive day. I edited a huge YouTube video that's exporting right now, and I'll upload that or schedule it tonight. And finally, I can just chill on the weekend because normally I can't get it done. I can't get it done before Saturday. Do you know what I mean? Granted, I do take like long breaks throughout the week, and you know, one half of a Tuesday I might not work at all. That's kind of like my lifestyle, but I've been wanting to kind of get in sync with Cody's schedule because he's so busy right now, and he comes back tomorrow afternoon. We're going to our friend's event. I think we're gonna go out to dinner, maybe go out, and then Sunday will be chill. He's gonna pack for his next trip, and we're just gonna be probably around the house, and I have to do laundry that day. So it's been so nice. It's been so fall-y, chilly in the morning. When I woke up today, it was 59 degrees. That is glorious. Just to be able to wear a sweatshirt with bike shorts, that's like the perfect combo because you still feel cool. I'm just so excited. It's the weekend. I think I'm gonna go on a hike in the morning, like a good hike, like a long hike. So that'll be fun. All right, I'm rambling. I'll show you when I have my food ready. This is my chicken soup concoction. So I just needed to prep something that I could put away in the freezer for a few meals, and ooh, so much steam. But I love the crock pot. Yes, a Chicago Bears crock pot. Yum. It's gonna be so good. I love chicken in the crock pot because it just becomes so tender and just falls apart. This corner is the death of me. Maintaining the dishes, like just the unloading of the dishwasher in here has been so frustrating because we don't have a spot for our plates right now. I have a vision, and maybe I can walk you through that right now. So I think I'm gonna buy, it's called string furniture pocket shelving. It's like one small shelf, and I think I'm gonna put that on this wall. I believe I'm gonna take the painting or the print over to this wall, and then I'm gonna switch the espresso maker to go in this corner. And then this workspace will be, I mean, you can't like actually use it as prep space, but I find that I cook from this spot most often, so I can store things I've already chopped or bowls. I could leave the cutting boards up there. I could do a cookbook stand. We'll see if it works. I'm not positive it will. That's what I'm thinking. And then those shelves are gonna go bye-bye. And then for plate storage, I'm gonna have to reconfigure it. I think, did I already tell you guys all this? Sorry, that's not garbage. It's like broken down boxes and stuff. I think I actually told you this already. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna get my food going. The thing with the Trader Joe's mozzarella sticks is they always just explode. Whatever. I think I used way too many noodles, but it looks so good.
We don't wear costumes, we wear fashion. I had 5 siblings, and we never had enough.
done. It doesn't look great from this angle, but this is my stunning breakfast. Overnight oats with a really delicious peach and almond butter. I am sweating. I just cleaned the living room. I'm satisfied with having one room clean for a Saturday. I think I'm gonna get dressed now and run to the mall. There's a few things I want to grab. I have to get some moisturizer and cleansing balm from Target, and then I really want to try Uniqlo's white tee. I heard from a TikTok creator, she said the men's white t-shirt is her favorite t-shirt, and I'm really on the hunt to find like the perfect basic white t-shirt, because in a few videos ago I wore one and it's just, I don't like the one I have. It's ill-fitting. I want to find a good one, like a boxy one with decent sleeves. So I'm gonna quickly get changed and go do that, and then I texted my friend Sammy to see if she wanted to come with me, and she said she's heading to the mall too, so hopefully I run into her there. And I think I'm gonna get In and Out because I've been craving it for weeks at this point. It's been a day. Look at my hat, by the way. Cody ordered the chaperone hats I think in July, and they finally came. It's perfect. I love it. And I'm a Midwest princess. So I ended up texting my friend Sammy. She wanted to go to the mall earlier, and she said, I'm already on my way there. So she picked me up and we went. We were very efficient. We didn't buy anything we didn't need. I got a charger brick, like the little square for my new iPhone cord, because it doesn't come with the actual thing to plug it into the wall. I was gonna show you what I got, but it's really nothing to show. My favorite claw clip from Garage. I had the clear one. It lasted me over 2 years and it just broke. And I have thick hair, so I have to get a really big one. So I got another one. And then I got my favorite skincare brand, Versed. They sell it at Target. I got the cleansing balm, which I love, to remove makeup. And then this is like my holy grail daily moisturizer. I love this stuff. The weather is so nice today. We did our shopping, we walked to In and Out, and then we got Phil's coffee after. I got an iced mint mojito. It was so good. I just walked Zola. I stopped at Vinovore, which is a local wine shop. They sell wine all from women winemakers, which is really cool. I got 2 bottles. I got an orange and a chilled red. And we're gonna sip on that in a little bit before we walk over to my friend Diane's event. So I'm excited. And also, Cody just landed, so Cody's on his way back home. Not sure if he'll make it out to the event with us, but hopefully. He's not too tired, so yay! I mean, you can't even see it on the camera, but the gradient is so pretty. So big. Lift it up. Oh yeah. Good morning, you guys. Sorry for the road noise. Surprise, it's actually Monday. Yesterday I was supposed to vlog, but Cody only has 2 days home before he goes to China actually for a week, which is really cool. But we just wanted to spend some quality time together yesterday, get a few like life tasks done that we needed to get done. But it's Monday and I usually get a lot of like productive things done on Monday. I'm actually heading to my workout class right now, and I'm gonna go grocery shopping after, and then I have a meeting, and then I think I'll spend the rest of the afternoon like straightening up the house, and I'll take you guys along with that. So sorry for missing out on Sunday, but Monday will work just as good. tonight.
I'm excited because we might be flying China Eastern home, which is a Delta affiliate.
Not in the fridge. Fridge is organized. Oh, so much better. It has been so messy for way too long. So let's do a fridge tour. We got our beverages up here. We love this water. What would you call this? It's a Brita filter, but it filters as you pour it out, so you don't have to wait for it to like refill, which is really nice. We love it. You could get it at Target. All of our sparkling waters, and then this is kind of our condiments thing. It rotates, so it's super easy to grab, like condiments, olives, sauces, hot sauce, things like that. Down here we have things that aren't food, so we have some power drops for our neoplants, and we have some skincare, and we have the treats hidden behind there that we both really like. Down here we have our dairy. Over here we have our cheeses and like dips, hummus, stuff like that. Here are our leftovers. Our meat is behind there, and this is like our bread and tortillas, which I'm gonna reuse. Sorry, I'm gonna finish that off for lunch, as well as this rice and one of the soups. Down here we have all of our fruit. I like to take the bigger fruits out of the packaging just so I can grab them easier. And our veggies and salads. So excited. And then in our door we have our butter, eggs, which fit perfectly here. This is kind of our sweet stuff. Maple syrup for coffee, almond butter. I have pumpkin muffins that I want to make and put this frosting on them. Some extra condiments that we grab for more often. These are like all CBD drinks and gummies. And then down here we have our almond milk, creamer, juice, and wine. Okay, now for the freezer, which is actually really organized right now. It's never like this. In the door we have glasses for beers that we rarely use, but it is nice to have really cold glasses. Smoothie stuff. We got acai packets, cherries, frozen bananas, frozen veggies, and then all of our ice is on the bottom. It's taking up a lot of space, but I think for now this works. This ice thing is amazing. I use it on the videos all the time, but I got this on Amazon, and you basically pop all these cubes into here. There's a scooper, and then you just refill those. It's really nice to like scoop your ice as opposed to constantly just popping them out of the plastic trays. And then up here we have all our food. I have some more soup that I froze, pizza, hash browns, and our desserts on the right. Okay, now I have to tackle the pantry, and this is all the coffee stuff. I need to kind of reconfigure the bottom 3 shelves and hopefully assess if I'll be able to do my plan for the kitchen. Much better. Not hunch. I saw the DHL notifications and I was like, I have no clue. It's a box and a box and a box. Oh my god. I'm gushing sweat right now. Ah. No, I'm on the throne. Wow. It's all Christmassy. No, the theme is like gnome on the throne.
Wow.
There's like little gnomes.
Little Santa's shitting.
They're not shitting. So we got this package from Who Gives a Crap. It's 100% bamboo toilet paper. And this must be like the Christmas line or the Christmas packaging. Gnome on the throne. It's very cute, very colorful, very fun. And we're doing a collab with them on Instagram, so that'll be great. I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna make burgers tonight with sweet potato fries in the air fryer. But first, I'm gonna take this lovely chilled red and take an ice cold shower because I've been cleaning all day. And I feel really good about everything I got done today and just the weekend in general. I had fun, I got stuff done. I think having that balance to your weekend is truly ideal. I'm back. It's 7:30 p.m. I took a cold shower. I have a glass of chilled red and I'm making smash burgers. Never made them before, but I have my onions grilling right now. I'm gonna toast these buns and then I have the patties formed and they're just chilling in here. And then when juices form on top is when you're supposed to flip them, but you can't touch them in the meantime. Okay, this is cool. This is exciting. Of course, my battery died, so we've got quite a bit of juices pooling on this one. That one I flipped. There were juices pooling on top, but it felt like it should be crispier. So I'm gonna go for this one. Not bad. I'm gonna season them again on this side. These look so good. Look at that. Scrumptious.
Okay, ready?
Taste test.
Taste test.
I know it could be crispier,
That's it.
but is it tasty?
It's really tasty.
Yay.
That's bomb. Onions are good.
Hitting the burger craving?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I listened to what it said where it was like once the juices pool on the top, it's ready to flip. But I felt like I needed to wait longer. But it's also cast iron. It's not a griddle too. So
Yeah.
there's that.